Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by loading your dataset and focusing on the numeric columns you will analyze. First, inspect head, info, and describe to find missing values and ranges. Then plot histograms and box plots to see extreme values visually. This gives context for choosing a detection method. Once done, decide if you need to remove, cap, or flag outliers. Make sure to set a reproducible random seed if sampling. Save a working copy before changes so you can revert. Now you implement detection. For tabular data, compute Q1 and Q3, then IQR and flag values below Q1-1, 5 IQR or above Q3 plus 1, 5 ICR. This is simple and robust. Alternatively, compute z-scores and mark Z3 for Gaussian-like data. For skewed or multivariate cases, use median absolute deviation or algorithms like isolation forest or local outlier factor from scikit-learn. Once identified, finally decide how to handle flagged points. Drop rows for clear errors, clip to percentile bounds, or impute with median or model-based estimates for legitimate but extreme values. Apply changes using pandas methods like drop, clip, or filna on a copy. After you transform, recompute summary stats and rerun any models to check impact. If too many records are flagged, recalibrate thresholds, inspect data collection, or use a different detector. This troubleshooting step prevents overcleaning valid variation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.